here in Ranau Lake?
I think the lake is beautiful. Yeah, a lot of beautiful nature and still many untouched places.
I see.
So I think if they increase the infrastructure and tourism, they have to do it in a good way for the environment.
I see.
In a smart way.
Do you think the nature condition here different from in Java? The nature condition here different from Java and also Bali?
No, pretty similar. We live in Bali already, 8 years. But there's no palm oil. Here we see all the palm oil plantations, and they're not so good. So we were sad to see from the plane so many forests gone and palm oil plantations. So that's not so good for us.
You want to live more in Indonesia?
Yeah, we already live here 8 years and we buy land and build a house in Bali, so we want to stay here for a long time.
Okay, thank you very much, Alice.